Mastering Pronunciation of English Ordinal Numbers, 11th-20th. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video on English language learning. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers, specifically focusing on the numbers 11th through to the 20th. We'll be taking a look at their pronunciation and spelling, which will be immensely helpful in enhancing your English communication skills. Ordinal numbers are numbers that denote the position or order of things in a series. 11th, 12th, 13th, and so on, up to 20th, are all ordinal numbers. They help us understand ranking, order, and position. But more than just knowing what they are, we need to know how to pronounce them correctly. Let's jump into the pronunciation of these ordinal numbers. For each number, we'll first spell it out, and then break down its pronunciation. 1. 11th. 11th. 2. 12th. 12th. 3. 13th. 13th. 4. 14th. 14th. 5. 15th. 15th. 6. 16th. 16th. 7. 17th. 17th. 8. 18th. 18th. 9. 19th. 19th. 10. 20th. 20th. The pronunciation might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. While pronouncing these ordinal numbers, there are some common mistakes that learners make. Let's go through them. For the word 11th, avoid pronouncing it as 11th. It should be 11th. The word 12th is often mispronounced. It's not 12th, it's 12th. Lastly, for the word 20th, ensure you're saying it as 20th and not 20th. Remember, practice is key. Repeat these numbers regularly, and you'll master their pronunciation in no time. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the pronunciation of English ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. I hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English pronunciation skills. Stay curious, keep practicing, and remember, the beauty of language learning lies in persistence and practice. Until next time, happy learning!